Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a split text effect on Canva. So color your first text, like for instance pink, and then the background green, and then vice versa. Then you're going to just save that as an image, and I'm just going to place, for instance, the green one first here. I'm just going to resize that, and then I'm just going to place this one over that. To split it, just use this line here, and you can split it this way. You can also split it horizontally like this if you'd like to. It's totally up to you. But that is pretty much it, really. Super simple to do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.